O2 sensor. Key off. Key on. Well, had to get the key right. Apparently, there it is. Key on. Blue wire. Black wire. Other black wire. Red wire. Back side of the relay. This is interesting. .8 volt. No voltage. .04 volts when turning over. Nothing. 12.6 volts. I just seen voltage. 12.7 volts. 12.7, which is, yep, 12.7. 12.7. Isn't it strange that I have voltage on three legs? Sensor voltage. I have voltage on 3 legs of the relay. That's messed up. That don't make sense. It's a Kawasaki 400. Ram ground. Harness ground. No power here. Constant power on the yellow. 1 volt on the green. Did not find any key on voltage here. That green wire right there, key on voltage 1.3. When no other wire here going to the motor has key on voltage. Put the power probe on this one, gave it 12 volts. Nothing changed when cranking. The blue wire on the pedal switch. .5 the black wire next to the blue wire. Interesting. The red wire on the pedal switch. The black wire on the pedal switch. Okay, that gray coming out of there, we're getting a 5 volt reference. Red wire. Same as our other parts. Green wire. Yellow wire. gray wire. 5-volt. No. Black wire. Got me boggled. Go see if I can find a diagram again, a wiring schematic for, I guess I'll try looking for a Kawasaki 400 EFI instead of looking for Easy Go.